Off Lecture. Learn beyond class.
Hi everyone, welcome to Off Lecture and we welcome to Class 6 Maths. Before we open a single textbook, I want to make a promise to you. Yes, I am saying a promise. But what promise? By the end of this year, maths will make sense to you. Not as a pile of rules to memorize, कुछ rules याद नहीं रखने में, but as a single connected story. एक story that is connected to each other. Today is our map of the whole journey. Today what we are going to do is हम आज discuss करेंगे what will be the map of this complete journey. No notes needed yet. Just listen, think and enjoy. A puzzle before we begin. Here's a challenge for you. What you have to do is you have to add up every number from 1 to 100. 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 100. Okay? How long would that take you? कितना टाइम लग जाएगा? अगर आप ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो ट्राई कर सकते हैं. Just pause the video and try it कि कितनी टाइम में हम ये सम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं एज नॉर्मली ह्यूमंस डू. 1 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 1 घंटा. ट्राई करके देख लेते हैं. अबाउट 250 years ago, a boy your age named Gauss, and the full name was Charles Friedrich Gauss, which is also now known as the Prince of Mathematics, was told to do exactly as a punishment. Yes, you listen it right. Exactly as a punishment. He gave the answer in just 10 seconds. उसको केवल 10 सेकंड लगे और उसने ये सम 1 + 2 + 3 अप टू 100 10 सेकंड्स में कर दिया. जस्ट इमेजिन सब कितना सरप्राइज हुए होंगे. एंड हिज टीचर वाज आल्सो स्टन. बट हाउ? ये उसने किया कैसे? लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. He didn't add in order. He paired the numbers. That is, he paired the first number with the last number. Similarly, the second number with the second last number. Similarly, the third number with the third last number. Can you try to find the pattern? कोई पैटर्न समझ में आ रहा है? अगर हम 1 और 100 को ऐड करते हैं तो उनका एडिशन 101 आता है. अगर हम 2 और 99 को ऐड करते हैं उसका सम भी 101 ही आता है. एंड इफ वी ऐड 3 and 98 उसका समेशन भी 101 ही आता है. So how many pairs like this we will get when adding all these numbers? We will reach at a position where we will have 49, 50 and 51. So there will be 50 pairs. ऐसे हमारे 50 pairs बन जाएंगे. So 50 pairs and their all sum is 101. So my total will be 5050. Okay, simple multiplication. 50 multiplied by 101 will give you 5050. Now here's the point, and it's the most important thing I will say today. Maths is not just about calculating faster. अगर हमें फास्ट कैलकुलेशन ही करनी है तो वी कैन यूज़ द कैलकुलेटर. सबके पास फ़ोन में कैलकुलेटर है, नॉर्मल कैलकुलेटर है, लैपटॉप्स में कैलकुलेटर है, आजकल तो स्मार्ट वॉचेस में भी कैलकुलेटर है. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट जस्ट कैलकुलेटिंग फास्टर. It's about seeing the patterns other people miss or other students miss. हमें एक पैटर्न देखना है कि क्या पैटर्न है पूरे मैथ्स में. दिस इज द क्रक्स एंड दिस इज द कोर ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स. मैथ्स इज नॉट अबाउट मेमोराइजिंग. याद करने जैसा कुछ नहीं है मैथ्स में. इट्स अबाउट सीइंग पैटर्न्स दैट अदर्स मिस. ओके, so that's the skill this course will train in you. It's not about that we will just cover the curriculum, pass the exam, and we will leave the maths as it is. Class 6 maths is complete. No, class 6 maths will stay with you forever, will stay with you forever, like a strong foundational friend जिस पे पूरी बिल्डिंग ऑफ मैथ्स इन फ्यूचर बिल्ड होगी. ओके, नाउ अ यूजुअल क्वेश्चन हर स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में आता है, दैट इज व्हाई मैथ्स फील्स हार्ड एंड व्हाई इट वोंट. द सीक्रेट नोबडी टेल्स यू. कोई बताता नहीं है, मुझे भी किसी ने नहीं बताया था, बहुत सारे बच्चों को कोई भी नहीं बताता. So let's be honest first. A lot of people find maths hard. Maths सच में difficult है. But do you know why? It's usually not because they are bad at maths. ऐसा नहीं है कि maths में कुछ गड़बड़ है या उस student में कुछ गड़बड़ है और उसको मैथ्स के सब्जेक्ट्स के कॉन्सेप्ट समझ नहीं आ रहे और ही इज़ बैड एट मैथ्स. It's because they were taught in as a 60 separate disconnected topics to cram. That is, अगर आपके पास 60 टॉपिक्स का करिकुलम है, लेट्स से, अब आप 60 टॉपिक्स को इंडिविजुअल बैटल की तरह फाइट करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली हर कोई थक जाएगा. पहली बैटल में वी विल बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, सेकंड बैटल में still we will be strong, but in the last battles, in one of the last battles like 56th 57, we will be very tired. हम थक चुके होंगे और हमें समझ नहीं आएगा. बट अगर हम 60 सेपरेट बैटल्स को एक सिंगल बैटल समझें और वो सारी 60 बैटल्स एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड हों, तो अगर हमारी फर्स्ट विन हो रही है बैटल में, तो वो हमें एक एडवांटेज दे दी है सेकंड बैटल के लिए. और ऐसे कर करके हमारे पास लास्ट बैटल तक इतना एडवांटेज होगा कि हमने बैटल लड़नी ही नहीं पड़ेगी. हम यूजिंग एडवांटेजेस ओनली, यूजिंग द पावर्स, द सुपर पावर्स ओनली, हम सीधा बैटल जीत जाएंगे. ओके, सो बाय द एंड fractions, decimals, percentages, ratio will seems like a same idea. हमारे पास एक सुपर पावर होगी जिसमें सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स सेम लगेंगे, बिकॉज इन foundational, in conceptual level, they are actually the same concepts. Decimals, fractions, percentages, ratios अलग अलग टॉपिक्स नहीं है. They are the same topics but divided into simple separate units. Okay, what makes this course different? Now यूट्यूब पे केवल बहुत सारे मैथ्स के कोर्स हैं फॉर क्लास 6, फॉर क्लास 7, फॉर डिफरेंट क्लासेस, डिफरेंट करिकुलम्स, बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हैं. सो हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू लर्न इट? इज व्हाट दिस मेक्स दिस कोर्स अनयूजुअल. ओके, ये कोर्स अनयूजुअल क्यों है? क्योंकि कुछ तो कुछ यूनिक होना चाहिए, तभी तो इंटरेस्ट आएगा. तो अगर आप ये पिक्चर देख रहे हो, तो देर आर 5 rivers that are merging into a single ocean. This is river number 1, this is river number 2, this is river number 3, this is river number 4, this is river number 5, और भी बहुत सारी रिवर्स हैं. रिवर नंबर 6, रिवर नंबर 7, इतनी सारी रिवर्स हैं और वो सब एक ओशंस में मर्ज हो रही हैं. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ सेपरेटली लर्निंग देम, इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग थ्रू सेपरेटली ईच ऑफ द रिवर्स, ऐसा ना करें कि हम यहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं. तो सारी रिवर्स अगर मर्ज ही हो रही हैं इसी पॉइंट पे, तो हम यहीं पढ़ते हैं उन्हें, यहीं देख लेते हैं रिवर्स. सो द सेम थिंग वी विल अप्लाई है. मोस्ट स्टूडेंट्स लर्न विद वन टेक्स्ट बुक, जो कि उनके करिकुलम में होता है, एंड दे थिंक दैट इट इज इनफ, and usually it is enough also. But what we have done is we have combed through 5 of the best class 6 maths program in the world and merged them into one complete map. First one is NCRT. वो तो India's national board है, so brilliant for pattern and deep thinking. Then second is ICSC, where usually Selena book is referred, and it is famous for rigor, detail, and strong geometry. Third one is R.D. Sharma, the king of the practice, endless, well graded questions. Fourth one is from IGCSC, Cambridge Board, that is international style and full of real world examples and problems. And fifth one is International Board MYP, which is built around the concepts and one powerful question: why does this matter? Whatever we are learning, whatever we are understanding, why does that matter to us? Okay, तभी तो कोई मीनिंग होगा उस सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ने के लिए. So in this course we will get, or you will get, the strengths of all the 5. Nothing important will be left out, no matter which school, which board you are in. You will get everything from here. And it's not like that if we are learning 5 boards of 5 curriculums, so the length of the lessons or the sessions will be long. No, we have merged, we have combed them in such a way that all the topics will be together and they will remain in proper size and proper time. So इससे क्या होगा कि later on when we will move to class 7th, we will move to class 8th, कुछ टॉपिक्स तो आपको ऑलरेडी नोन होंगे, कुछ नए टॉपिक्स होंगे. तो जब हम क्लास 7 में यही चीज़ कर रहे होंगे, तो हम सारे क्लास 7 की बुक्स को मर्ज करके फिर पढ़ लेंगे, तो हमें क्लास 8th 9th ईजी लगेगी, एंड दिस विल गो ऑन इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो. ओके, so let's understand the complete map we will be exploring, that is the 12 units. You can look at them as 12 lanes of a word big adventure map. We will travel through them in order and each one builds on the last. First we will start with numbers and the place values, that is how big numbers really work. The second unit will be whole numbers and operations. We will understand the 4 basic operations and we will master them. Third will be factors, multiples and primes, which is the building blocks of the numbers. Fourth will be integers and negative numbers, the word below 0. Usually the word we see in the real world, everything is above 0. +1, +2. There are 2 flowers, 5 oranges, 12 bananas. Have ever you heard of -1 banana? Ever you heard of -5 mangoes? कभी नहीं सुना होगा, ऐसा होता भी नहीं है. So we will understand the concept of what is this about negative numbers. ठीक है. The fifth will be fractions, part of a whole covered by all the 5 books. Then decimals, which is are fractions in the disguise. Then seventh topic will be ratio, proportions and percentages. Seventh topic will be ratio, proportions and percentages, where we will understand how we can compare and share fairly. Eighth unit will be algebra, that is the letters that stands for the numbers. Usually you have seen that we say let x be a number is equals to 3. So this x comes in algebra, letters that stands for numbers. Then in unit 9 we will understand geometry, which will include lines, angles and shapes. And this is the maths of the space. Okay. Then 10th unit will be symmetry, constructions and positions, like how we can apply maths during drawing, folding and plotting. Then comes mensuration, where we will understand how we can measure length, area and volume. And last topic will be data, statistics and probability, which makes sense of the information and predict the chances of happening it. And notice the flow. यहाँ पे आपने कुछ पैटर्न नोट किया. We are moving from pure numbers into shapes and space, and then finally the real word of data. Okay, numbers से शुरू करके हम shapes and space के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, and then we are moving to real world data. Real world data. So everything is connected to each other. Nothing is random. Nothing is separate from one to another. Everything is interconnected. Like इस मैप में आप देख सकते हो, हर island is connected to one another. Okay. So this is the same thing that I was explaining earlier. So order matters because this is the whole philosophy of this course. Numbers will lead naturally into factors, primes, and the negative numbers. Fractions, decimals, and percentages are the three faces of the same idea, which is part of a whole. Ratio and algebra will just teach us to compare and generalize numbers. Geometry and mensuration will take numbers into the world of shapes and spaces. And data and probability will help us to use all of it to understand the real world. Okay. So we will never jump ahead. Every new topic uses something जो हमने पहले पढ़ रखा है. That is something you already learned before. So you are always ready. You will be having the superpower. You will be having the advantage of previous learning. Okay. चलो एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी करते हैं. What you have to do is you have to spot the pattern yourself. Look at this sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, and there are two blank spaces here, which is this one and this is this one. What are the next two numbers and what is the rule? हमें क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है? What are the next two numbers in this sequence and कौन सा रूल ये फॉलो कर रहे हैं? Okay, this is for you. Pause the video, just go through and try to understand, and then as you can already see in the screen, answers are available, but still just try करो अपने मन में सोचने का कि कैसे पैटर्न है, क्या रूल बना और कैसे हम नेक्स्ट टू नंबर्स को कैलकुलेट करेंगे. मल्टीपल आंसर्स आ सकते हैं. कोई बोल सकता है 32, कोई बोल सकता है 36, कोई भी पैटर्न बन सकता है. ऐसा सब सोच रहे होंगे. सो लेट्स थिंक इट थ्रू टुगेदर. फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्व, ईच नंबर इज डबल, sorry, each number is double that one before it. For example, if we talk about 2, 4, so this number is actually double of 2. 2 times 2 gives you 4. Similarly, if we move to the next number, 8, 8 is double of 4, that is 4 times 2 is 8. So this is what we have observed. Each number is double the one before. Now the question will come that so what comes after 16? If we have observed this pattern, can't we just say or can't we just tell what will be the next number after 16? Yes, it will be double of 16. So 16 times 2 will be 32. So 32 will be the next number. And again, 32 times 2 will be 64. That is, it will be the last number in this pattern. So what conclusion we can make? What conclusion we can make? क्या conclusion बनता है इससे? The rule is that we have to double each time. क्या पैटर्न है? हमें हमेशा डबल करते रहना है प्रीवियस नंबर को एंड वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. सो इसके आगे के नंबर्स अगर हमसे कोई पूछेगा तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? 2 इज then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, then 64. इससे भी आगे कोई हमसे पूछता है, now we know the pattern. Just we have to multiply the previous number with 2. So 64 multiplied by 2 will give you 128. फिर उससे भी आगे कोई हमसे पूछ लेता है तो 256. उससे भी आगे हमसे कोई पूछ लेता है तो 624. उससे भी आगे कोई पूछ लेता है तो सॉरी, दिस विल बी 512. उससे भी आगे हमसे कोई पूछ लेता है तो 512 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 विल बी 1024. Okay, so what was the use of this activity? Why we did this activity? ताकि we can understand what is the patterns we have to identify. Okay, now we will understand how every topic will be taught. That is, हम हर टॉपिक को कैसे पढ़ेंगे इन सारे यूनिट्स में. First, we will go through the concepts. We will explain every ideas with clear pictures and examples. This will be the 4-step rhythm जो हम हर यूनिट हर चैप्टर में फॉलो करेंगे. Then we will do a practice questions and answers. We will have the textbook style questions along with the answers with examples. We will do it together. Then will comes a quick checks, that is MCQs and short questions to test yourself. That is whether we are able to understand any concepts that we have learned in the class or not. And then at the last will come the real challenges where we will have our case studies and unit tests to prove our mastery that we have understood the topic completely. You don't just watch, you will do it yourself. That is nowadays a trend, DIY, where we build our toys, we build our furniture, we build our different things in home. DIY toys so सबने सुने होंगे. So we will do it ourselves. That is DIY. Do it yourself. Understanding first, then practice, then proof. This is how this will fix or this will stick into the memory. So where you will actually use it. अब आपने इतना सारा मैथ्स पढ़ लिया क्लास 6 का, तो उसको यूज भी तो कहीं करेंगे. सो वी विल यूज इन मनी. मैथ्स केवल एग्जाम्स तक लिमिटेड नहीं है, ठीक है. एग्जाम्स तो बाय प्रोडक्ट है. अगर आपको मैथ्स आ गई तो एग्जाम्स तो आप ऑलरेडी क्लियर कर चुकोगे और कर लोगे बहुत इजीली. बट उसके और क्या रिजल्ट्स होंगे? वी कैन वर्क विद मनी, वी कैन कैलकुलेट परसेंटेजेस, डिस्काउंट्स, प्रॉफिट्स जो एवरी शॉप और बैंक में यूज होता है, ऑफर्स व्हेन वी गो टू द सुपरमार्केट, टू द मॉल्स, even in the cricket matches, football matches, there is so much maths related available to see. So वहाँ हम उसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Then we will see in cooking and building that is fractions, ratios, areas, decide if it works or not. We can use it or we will use it in games and sport, and it's very important to use maths in games and sport. We will understand the probability, we will understand the data are behind every score. Usually you have seen in cricket there is a predictability score that tells you whether any team will going to win or not at that particular moment of time. For example, if there is a match between India versus Australia, and this is a T20 match going on, and at a point after 10 overs, it is said that the chances of winning India is 70% probability, and the chances of Australia winning is 30% probability. So how these are being calculated, ये भी हम समझेंगे, और फिर we can apply to our daily life of games and sports. In design and arts also, using symmetry and geometry, we will look to the patterns, we will understand how the things are made, and then definitely finally in your future, whether you choose any stream in your class 11th or 12th, or any field in your further life, maths will stay with you all over. Okay, so the truth is actually the class 6 is a foundation. तो हमेशा सब बोलते होंगे, जो भी क्लास नहीं आती होगी, कि क्लास 5th इज अ फाउंडेशन, अब क्लास 6 में आ गए तो बोल रहे हैं क्लास 6th इज अ फाउंडेशन, क्लास 7th में आएंगे तो क्लास 7th इज अ फाउंडेशन. सो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि क्लास 6 इज द फाउंडेशन फॉर क्लास 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. सिमिलरली क्लास 7th में कुछ टॉपिक्स इंट्रोड्यूस होंगे दैट विल बी द फाउंडेशन फॉर क्लास 8th, 9th. जैसे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री हो गया, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री क्लास 6th में नहीं होगी. यस, बिकॉज वो क्लास 7th या 8th में इंट्रोड्यूस होगी, और वो फाउंडेशन बनेगी आपकी क्लास 9th एंड 10th के लिए. सो यस, क्लास 6 इज एक्चुअली अ गुड फाउंडेशन. अभी ये स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगी, एंड एवरी ईयर आफ्टर दैट इट विल बिकम ईजियर. ओके, कंपैरेटिवली ईजियर, नॉट ईजियर इन एक्चुअल टर्म्स. थोड़ी बहुत डिफिकल्टी हर क्लास में होती है, वो हम ओवरकम करेंगे साथ में, एंड इट विल बिकम कंपैरेटिवली ईजियर. Now, let's do one more activity. That is, you have to promise, you have to make a promise to yourself. Write down one thing about maps you have found hard so far, and one thing from the map you are curious about. We will conquer both. Out of all the 12 units जो मैंने बताया आपको, उनमें से just select one thing जो आपको लगता है सबसे डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है. Okay, a model answer can be situation. You are setting your own goal before the journey begins. You have to reflect, you have to choose, you have to commit, and you have to believe that every expert was once a beginner who did not quit. Okay, you got this. So now we have come to the recap. What you have to remember from this introductory session, that is, there are 5 things. First is patterns. Maths is all about seeing the patterns, not memorizing them. Second is everything is connected one story. All 60 plus topics that are really a few big connected ideas merged into a single topic. All 5 curriculums in one. In this course, we will cover 5 curriculums, that is NCERT, ICSC, RD Sharma, Cambridge, and International Board together. There will be total 12 units that you will see in class 6. A clear map starting from the numbers going till the data, and we will learn by doing it, not only with the concepts, by understanding the concept, then practicing it, then we will check it whether we have understood or not, and then we will master it with the test. So next up, buckle up. We will start with our first unit. In first unit, the chapter 1 will be patterns in mathematics. Okay, we will begin where all maths begins, spotting what comes next. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you there.